Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically hide your username when you're playing comp or in rated or any like other games in Valorant. I mean, Valorant is a game, but like, you know what I mean. So to hide your username, for instance, like you're a very popular streamer and you don't want people to stream snipe you, so you just hide your name. So press escape or like go to settings and then go to general. Then you're going to select hide my name from players outside my party or use generic names for players outside your party, and you're just going to enable one of them. Just going to select hide my name. So whenever I hide my name outside of like your party, it's just going to be seen as like the agent that you're playing as. For instance, I'm using Breach on Lotus, and it's just going to basically show you as Breach and not like your username. But yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!